Paper was like gold in medieval times.
Oh, not tobacco, sugar.
That everything we thought we knew about the world might turn out to be completely wrong.
This pandemic has placed a lot of restrictions on our social life, which means we've not seen as many people as what we might normally, and which might mean that you've gotten out of the habit of socialising, and it can make you feel quite awkward and self-conscious. And it happens to the best of us. So I've put together this little sequence to help really boost your confidence and shake off social anxiety so that you can really get back into the swing of things, because socialising is so important for your well-being. So let's come up to standing and we'll do this little technique I called the drop. And it's all about just physically letting your energy just drop down to the ground, but psychologically, it's also about letting go of all of that nonsense, negative self-talk and self-criticism that gets in your way. So you can just bring that to the forefront of your mind, anything that you feel a little bit blocked or stagnant by, or anywhere where you're holding yourself back in life, and just take a minute with that, just allow it. And then with the exhale, start to breathe out through the mouth and let the arms drop and the legs drop. Let your jaw relax. You're literally shaking it off. You can walk around like this, walk around your room. Okay, and give it a little shake here. And then now we're gonna take up lots of space. So take up space all around you. Just with this in mind, you're letting your physical embodiment represent this idea that you are entitled to take up space. Yeah, and you occupy all that space around you. So let the feet come nice and wide, and then we'll just inhale to reach the arms up, stretch up, and then exhale, let the arms come out to the side, bend the knees and come touch the ground. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. And then when you exhale, let the arms come around to the sides and then give yourself a hug. So socialising, it's all about connection, but we need that connection to ourselves as well. So here, just giving yourself a hug and then opening up. Inhale, expand. So you're expanding your energetic heart field, yeah? When you're doing this, the biomagnetic field of our heart radiates outwards. Exhale, give yourself a hug. So the more sort of good you feel, the bigger that heart field becomes. Inhale, exhale. Taking lots of full rounds of breath really boosts your oxytocin hormone, which actually is the hormone responsible for bonding and connection and all those warm feelings to others. So nice deep breaths. Let's cross the elbows over the head and circle it around. Inhale, exhale. Opposite elbow in front. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms around. Notice you squeeze your shoulder blades behind your back when you do that. Inhale and exhale. All right, so make your way over to your right knee, bend the knee and open into a kind of like a warrior two stance, and then open the arms out. So the right knee is bent, the left leg is straight. Take a breath here. And then exhale, bring the hands to the center line. Inhale, reach out. Exhale, pull it in. Inhale, exhale. Let's change sides. So bend your left knee and have your right leg straight. Inhale, reach out both directions. And exhale, pull it into your center body. And then bring the feet in a little bit closer together. We'll go over to your right knee, turn to the side. This is a warrior one stance. So in this warrior stance, it's all about feeling a strength in the legs and a sense of grounding in your feet. From here, reach up. The back foot can be down or a little bit lifted with your heel. Reach up and look up. And then remember those things we did with the arms? Exhale, bend the elbows, circle the arms. Inhale, exhale. Just take the hands to the hips for a minute. I'm going to get balanced here by standing on your right leg and sending the left leg up and back. So make a T shape with your body. If you've got the balance, you can release your arms back. Breathe here. Nice, strong legs. And then land lightly with that right foot. Forward facing triangle is where you just fold forward and forward bend over the right leg. Steady your breath. Feel your grounding in both feet. The gaze is down now. And hands to the hips to help you come up. Turn around, face your left foot, bend the left knee. Option to have the back foot, your right foot, grounded or the heel lifted. We just take the arms up and bend the elbows and circle the elbows and the shoulders. Exhale, circle. Inhale, lift. Hands to the hips, balancing on your left leg. Send the right leg up. If you haven't quite got the balance, it's fine, just to have the foot on the ground. Just take a minute here, balancing, breathing. Connect the front ribs to the hip bones so you're not letting your rib cage flare, but you've got a nice stable core. And then let the foot come down. Both feet facing the same direction. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, fold the belly over the thigh. Hand can be on the shin for your balance. Some of you bendy people might be able to reach the floor. Doesn't matter, either way. Just the intention here is to really get grounded in your feet. And then bend that left knee to help you come up. Turn to face me, so you're facing the front and we're in a goddess stance squat. So the knees are bent, knees open, toes open. Lean the shoulders back over the hips. So this is a really nice power position with the body. Take the arms out to the side. Inhale, reach out. Exhale, gather energy to the center. And then circle it forward. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. So it's all about giving and receiving energy in equal amounts. And that gives us a sense of well-being, balance, and sustainability. All right, from here, I'm going to go into another balance. This one's a little bit more tricky. So if this isn't for you, you could just stay here and work on really building strength in your legs. But otherwise, if you fancy it, you can come onto your right side and kind of launch into this. It's called half moon, where you let the other leg come up and you stack the hips. So here, I've got the left leg in the air and you're balancing on the right leg. And then can try it on the other side. Otherwise, you're still here, cooking up the legs. Otherwise, over to your left side. Fingertips go about a foot in front of your foot. And then straighten both legs. The right leg is sent up. And you breathe. So it's this combination of strength and balance in conjunction with taking up loads of space and drawing energy in. This will just help you just to release any social anxiety and help boost confidence. Let's complete with a forward bend here just to release. So straighten your legs, toes turn in, and melt the heart forward as you let your head hang heavy and the jaw relax. And just again, inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Letting go and releasing anything you don't need to make space for the new. Hands to the hips to come up. Walk your feet in. Pedal through the feet and you're ready to go.